Hello friends, welcome back to Sumikaya Kalpam. Hope all are well. Body fat is a common problem nowadays, but by following 5 sutras you can easily burn these body fats. First one, cut down refined carbohydrate from your diet, avoid sugar from tea and coffee, avoid eating in between the meal, add maximum fiber in your food, sufficient amount of fruits and vegetables should be added in your diet, and regular exercise. But remember, throughout the whole body diet, your calories should be 1500 to 1600 kilocalorie and protein should be 60 gram. So before going to practice all these asanas which I am going to introduce you, I have a request to measure your body weight before day 1 practice and measure it after 6 days of your practice. Write down the difference in the comment box. If you find any kind of difficulty in practicing all these asanas, write down so that I can help you to learn all this in an easy way for your benefit. So let's start today's practice. I'm going to share with you 6 asanas and 1 pranayam. So let's start. The first asana is Utthana Padasana. Raise leg pose. Lie down on your back. Interlock your finger back of the head. Both the legs stretched forward. Stretch the left toes. Raise your left leg with inhalation as high as you can. Exhale down. Again stretch your toes. Raise your left leg. 90-degree angle to the stomach. Exhale down. Practice is 10 round in left leg. Then practice the same with the right leg. With inhalation, raise your right leg. With exhalation, down. Then practice the same with both the legs. Stretch your toes. Inhale and stretch your knees and raise your both legs as high as you can at 90-degree angle. Practice is 10 round. This asana helps to reduce the fat from the thighs, abdomen, lower abdomen, hips. Then the next asana is leg locking. This asana should be performed by folding the knees, stretching the toes, holding the folded legs with interlocked fingers. With inhalation, touch your nose to the knees. With exhalation, relax. Practice 10 round in left leg, same with the right leg. Bend the knees, stretch the toes, hold the folded leg with interlocked fingers. With inhalation, touch the nose to the knees. Practice is 10 round. Then practice the same with both the legs. Fold both the knees gently. Hold the folded leg with your interlocked fingers. Stretch the toes. Then with inhalation, bring your nose in between the two knees. Hold this position. With exhalation, relax. Practice this 10 round. This is a very good asana to burn the calories from the thighs, calves, lower abdomen, upper abdomen, hips, upper back, neck and shoulder. Then the next practice is Ustrasana. It is a very good asana. For that you have to sit in Vajrasana, and this asana helps to burn calorie maximum area of your body from the thighs, upper back, lower back, shoulder, neck, lower back, your chin area and shoulder also. So stand with your knees, then gently hold the heel with the respective palms and fingers. Lean backward slowly. Push your abdomen forward. Keep the thighs vertical. Bend the head and spine backward as much as you can. Hold this position and feel the stretch. With inhalation, you have to lean your body back. With exhalation, come forward and sit in Vajrasana and get ready for the next practice. And you have to practice this asana every day, 5 round. It is very good to stretch your abdominal muscles, thighs, upper back, lower back, and simultaneously burn the stubborn calories around these areas. So practice this regularly. It also maintain a very good figure. Next is Sasankasana. For that, raise your arms with inhalation. With exhalation, gently place your palms, forehead, elbows on the ground. From there, we will go for Sasanka Bhujangasana. For that, gently slide your body your chest, your forehead, and move it off and backward with inhalation. Straighten your arms, then gently exhale and come down to Sasangasana. Practice this asana 5 times, Sasanko Bhujanga Asana. With inhalation, move your body back, and with exhalation, come back to Sasangasana. This is the asana very good for your upper body. It will help to reduce the fat around the lower abdomen, upper abdomen, your back, lower back, upper back, shoulder, neck. Then the next asana is Dhruta Halasana, dynamic Halasana, plow pose. For that, sit with your legs stretched forward. Then with exhalation, try to touch your nose to the knees, and with exhalation, just move your legs back towards the head and try to touch your toes to the floor. If you are able to touch the toes to the floor, it's okay, or else do as much as you can. With inhalation, move your toes towards the head and try to touch it to the floor. With exhalation, move forward and try to touch your nose to the knees. But remember, those who are having hypertension, they will take precautions. And if you want to burn your fat, do it little bit faster. With exhalation, move forward. With inhalation, move your toes backward. Then gently lie down in Savasana till your breath become normal. This is a dynamic posture. It will burn the calories from whole body by exercising your liver, gallbladder, and stretching the whole body muscles. So do it regularly, at least 20 rounds. Then after we will practice Vastrika Pranayam. For that, sit any meditative posture either in Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, Siddhasana, or Siddha Yoni Asana. Any one you will feel comfortable. Palms on their respective knees either in Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Breathe in and breathe out forcefully without giving much strain. 20 times you have to breathe in and breathe out forcefully, and hold the 21 breath by performing Nasikagra Mudra by placing your index and middle finger of your right hand at the eyebrow center and blocking the left and right nostril by the help of the ring and thumb. Hold the breath as much as you can. Then gently exhale through both the nostril. Again practice forceful inhalation and exhalation for 20 times. 21 breathe again. Hold it by performing Nasikagra Mudra. Practice this pranayam at least 5 times in each round of your practice. This is a very good pranayam to burn your calories from throughout the body by supplying excessive oxygen, sufficient amount of oxygen, and detoxify your body, helps to burn the stubborn fat from your whole body. So this is all about today's practice. Practice is for about 6 days. I hope and I assure you this will help to burn your calorie for about 1 to 2 kg. Keep on practicing. Just write down your comments. If you feel any kind of difficulty, just give me writing in comment box. Subscribe my channel, share it, like it, and keep watching my channel. Till then, stay safe and keep smiling. Keep on practicing. I'll come soon with the series of second round of practice, and definitely it will help you. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.